A specialist in the Woodlands is expanding its treatments for patients, now offering to help not only their eyesight, but how they look around their eyes. Patients at eye health consultants in the Woodlands are used to getting stellar care to get their vision checked and receive treatment for typical eye conditions. But the medical director and optometrist, Dr. Julio Arroyo, is taking care to a new level. He realized some of the technology that treats dry eyes also rejuvenates skin.
For the longest have asked me, what can I do about my dark rings or eye bags under the eyes, bags under the eyes, all these, crowfeet, all these things that happen as we age. And then I never had really a good solution, and that was frustrating. So through the years, doing a lot of research, I realized that I could help these patients also rejuvenate the skin, look better, be more beautiful, feel more beautiful. So we started Visibly Beautiful as a means to do that.
That idea turned into Visibly Beautiful MedSpa on the second floor of Dr. Arroyo's eye clinic.
We have seen over the years tens of thousands of patients. When we see them for dry in particular, one of the things we do is a 3D scan of the skin. So we do a phase scan. Because many times the eyes, of course, many of those eye issues that we have related to inflammation flare up from the skin around the eyes.
While many patients from the Houston area have come here for decades, Dr. Lisa Kotas drives all the way from Dallas. She believes the travel is well worth it after finding what she calls the ideal treatment to dial back time.
I'm turning 50 next month, and I've noticed some changes in my skin, typical aging changes, and the one that really bothered me was fine lines and wrinkles and some bagging under my eyes.
Dr. Kotas is well versed in the medical field and did all her homework before choosing this procedure. She's impressed with the minimal side effects and few risks.
I'd done a lot of research, and there are great treatments out there, but most of them seem to use needles or lasers, and Tixel is new technology that addressed my concerns, but with a more comfortable procedure and less downtime.
She's undergone multiple treatments of Tixel.
It's the latest technology that's come over from Europe. Absolutely love the results that this treatment can provide. The texture of their skin, it's almost instantaneous for them once the healing process is started, and the tightening and lifting effect. So I'm able to lift areas that are problematic.
Tixel helps stop rude comments.
It was affecting me frequently. When I would go into the hospital, I would have colleagues say, "Oh my gosh, that must have been a rough night. Were you up all night?" And I would respond, "I'm here for the day shift." So it made me look tired, and that wasn't a comfortable feeling. It made me feel embarrassed, and so I wanted to address it.
The treatment can be done on most body parts, not just the eyes. It's an all-in-one device that the FDA has approved to non-invasively address wrinkles, sagging skin, scars, rosacea, acne, droopy eyelids, and melasma.
This is heat transfer, so it is not any needles, it's not lasers, it's just the transfer of heat from the device to the surface of the skin, and it's more of a stamping motion. But it creates those like micro pores, which are the little injuries that help for tightening and doing all the good things that it's doing.
Sarah says it generates cell turnover, which stimulates collagen. Check out the before and after photos under Dr. Kotas' eyes. She's relieved with her results.
Nobody asked about late nights. A few of my colleagues said, "Oh my gosh, you look so great. Did you go on vacation?" I didn't feel as if I had to wear as much makeup, and so that saved me time as well.
Now, it takes about 5 days to fully heal. Most patients need 3 treatments about once a month. All right.